US dollar long-term forecast for the week of September 9th, fxempire.com. The dollar index rose during the previous week, but as you can see, it got forced back down in order to form a pretty nice looking shooting star, actually, sitting right at the 82 handle. That being the case, we think that a pullback could be coming, but let's be realistic here. This is probably more or less people getting out of the market before the Fed decides whether or not it wants to do about whether or not it wants to taper off of quantitative easing, which will be the story in Forex for the next several months, if not years, quite frankly. If the Fed does, in fact, enter a tightening phase, which is what tapering off of quantitative easing would be, that will continue to rise to give a boost to the value of the dollar. And this market should skyrocket at that point. It'll be interesting to see. Commodity currencies might be a better way to play this market if we break to the upside. Commodity currencies such as the Kiwi and the Aussie should just get absolutely pummeled, as would gold for that matter. On the other hand, though, if the Fed blinks and they do not taper off anytime soon, this market falls apart, and the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar would probably be two of the bigger gainers. On top of that, the other pair that would be very interesting to watch will be the dollar yen. If the Fed does in fact taper, that pair should be probably the place to be for the next couple of years.